They are available. So I sent emails to those who are present. But I couldn't send to this person because they don't have an email. So I didn't send it. As a student, you can use the email tool from any course, and anyone registered next to you will receive it. Teachers and classmates always have emails, of course. These are the communication tools within the course that you can find on the start screen here. Through this, you also have course messages and discussion forums. So here you have discussion forums where you can start participating, create messages, and write something. Or the teacher, for example, might write something in the discussion forums. Like in this general forum where the doctor has written about the test availability for the second day. Or he might write a welcome message. And you interact with this content and respond to it. The teacher and things go in this context, Is that clear? Great. So these are the patterns of communication between the student and the teacher, and between the student and their classmates. From inside, the main menu is here. You can access course messages, email, and also discussion forums. Three things. Discussions. Course messages and email are among the things available on your main page. Course messages are one of the three, and discussion forums are the second. Email isn't in this section. It's over here on the right side of the screen. However, it's stated that it's considered one of the means used for communication between students and teachers, and so on. I gave examples by sending an email and course messages. If I want to create a message, it should reach everyone. I'm sending it to all the people with me. I'll say test 5 times or 17 tests and send it. It should arrive in the inbox. I find one unread message. I click on it and it becomes read. So here, there's one unread message. Okay, what should I tell them all? I'm here now. Those who have not responded to me, I'll tell them, test, I'm trying, I'm a man who's trying. And test, I'll tell them, test, 5 5s or 17 5s, and I'll send this message. It's supposed to be in the inbox. Something arrived. It was a trip, and it was sent by one person. That is, the sender is Abdul Rahman Hamid. He sent a message called test. It looks like this. Is that clear? When I log into my other account, I'm in the course messages. Where are these messages? I check the inbox and find one unread message. This one is unread. I click on it and it becomes read. So Abdul Rahman sent a test message to all these people and everything is fine. I'll say okay, and all the messages in the course will turn to read. So here there's one unread message. So these are all the means of communication between the teacher and the students, or between the students themselves, or between the students and the teacher, and so on. The teacher also uses it within the diploma courses, and I would say this is the English language course, news about the comparison. Here you can't respond, of course, it's empty as you can see. As a student, you won't see anything in the internal review for the accounting diploma. There's no news. The teacher creates it. You don't see the create button. Announcements appear immediately. You also get an email. As a teacher, I want to make an announcement called test. Pay attention to the email. I will receive an email from the course. I'm creating an announcement named test to delete later. I'll write to students and teachers. This announcement reaches everyone in the course news. I'm sending it and I will receive an email. As a teacher, I'm making an announcement, but you can't. Only the teacher can. They send a copy to you and say, send. The announcement gets published here. I want to make an announcement. Come here, for example, I want to make an announcement and call it test. Pay attention to the email. I will receive an email from within the course. So I'm creating an announcement and naming it anything. I'll just call it test, so I can delete it later. I'll write anything I want to send to the students and the teachers. This is an announcement. It reaches all course participants with a section for course news or announcements. The teacher makes announcements and you receive an email copy. The announcement is published on the screen. As a student, you find an announcement in course news called Test by Abdul Rahman Salim. You also receive an email titled Test. Announcements include course messages, emails, or announcements, and you receive emails through them. For discussion forums, enter the course, respond to the teacher, and introduce yourself in the English language course in business. Create a message like, "Hello everyone, I am so-and-so. This is my first time entering the diploma and I need help." As a student, you'll find an announcement in the course news called Test by Abdul Rahman Salim, who published it. Is that clear? And you'll receive an email called Test. And in all these numbers, it's also an announcement. So here, I'm talking about announcements, meaning whether it's course messages, emails, or announcements. You receive emails through all of these. As for the discussion forums, which you have here, you need to enter the course and go into the discussion to respond to the teacher. You write something like this. Enter the forum, break the ice in the English language course in business, and create a message saying, "Hello everyone, I am so-and-so. Introduce yourselves to me. This is my first time entering the diploma, and I need someone to help me, guys," and things like that. No problem. All of these are channels for communication with the teacher. Of course, you also have student support. Here is the e-learning platform, and we've provided a set of information on how people can reach technical support, how to change their registration password after receiving it, how to log into the system using your username and password, which is your university ID and identity. You can learn about the main components of the interface, change the language, and access the Start Here section and the course guide. And the course news, lessons, discussions, completing assignments, and attending virtual classes, all of these are videos and educational PDFs for all components of the course. All right, we've reached the midpoint here. Our topic is communication among students and the instructor via 4 channels. One is course news, used by the instructor, non-responsive. Another is discussions, for asynchronous student interaction. We have course messages, like an inbox. We also use email. I received emails from courses. So, we have discussions, where the teacher, you, and the students and colleagues all respond to each other asynchronously at different times. We also have course messages, which are messages within the course, just like the inbox with read, and unread messages. And we used email as well. I received 3 emails or 2 emails from within the courses we are working on. So that's really great. We're working on it. That's really excellent. Plus the student support. It's very important for you to take advantage of. I'm back to you now. People ask questions like, "Are you done?" "I'm just starting." "And I'm registered." "Is there a picture?" "No, there's no picture." The whole study is in English. Who said that? There's Arabic and English, depending on the course. Most of the course is in Arabic so far, unless the syllabus changes, which shouldn't be a problem. They should consult the academic department. As for the assignments, I'm discussing the assignments and activities NASA, Raghd, the university ID. You sent it to the university, to the college, to technical support. The study is starting tomorrow, so send it, request them. Where's the university ID? There's no picture guiding you, changing things, moving around. All right, that's fine. Message me in the chat. I'll lower your hand and chat. Continuing, find communication info here. Hey Raghd, the university ID, you all sent it to the university, to the college, to technical support. The study is supposed to start tomorrow, so you all sent it. Request these things. Where's the university ID? There's no picture. All the pictures you have are different. I'm the one coming to guide you. I'm the one making changes. I'm the one coming here and there. I'm the one making the changes. All right, Ragdi. All right, that's fine. Salam, write to me in the chat. I'm going to lower your raised hand now, and I'm with you in the chat. Okay. Let's talk. Let's continue now. After the communication methods, you find here information about how to communicate with the teacher. You should have a table here with the name of the course instructor, their email, phone number, and all that. You can gather their information from here. I mean, it's available. Okay?